pushing you away while I want you to stay. I'm lacing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. You better not just say.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching She Slay TV. I apologize if you hear any noise in the background. Those are my kids. Now, this unit that I'm about to review was sent to me from Divatress.com. Divatress has been around for a long time, so if you are not familiar with Divatress, I will leave a link below to its website, as well as a link straight to this unit that I'm about to review. Now, speaking of the unit that I'm about to review, look at this gorgeous color. It's really long. It's really, really long, but y'all know how I am with my long units. This unit is a different one, but I will be reviewing this one as well. This did come from Divatress as well, so be sure to check out my channel for more wig reviews. Now, getting back to this unit, this is from Bobbi and it's the style MBLF360 DINAH, and I have her in the color TT1B Bird. As you can see, the dark roots, and then it comes to this deep burgundy, and then at the bottom it's like light burgundy with a little bit of mixture of red. I really do like that. It's a 360 unit, so all the way around. You're gonna have to cut lace up in the front as well as the back. It do come with baby hairs, as you can see, but look at this parting space, y'all. This is a huge parting space, and it's really well. I have actually a couple styles that I'm going to do with this unit, so to not make this video long and boring, I just wanted to be short and informal. Let's get right into it. This is like about 30-inch, curly as it is. It's really long. It's really full. Like, the density is really full, which I'm surprised because of like the parting space. Usually you can't like get both, but they did a really good job on this unit. And so far I don't experience any tangling or shedding, but it's a longer unit, so I'm not surprised if in the future it will tangle. As far as shedding goes, I don't think it's going to shed because it hasn't shed so far. And the burgundy color, I really don't expect too much from the burgundy color when it comes down to shedding. It's really good. Now, let me see. It do come with combs. I don't plan on really using it, but just in case you need combs to feel secure, they do come with it, as well as adjustable straps. And this cap is really stretchy, like really stretchy. So I'm about to put this unit on. I'm about to do a couple styles so that you can see the different type of styles that you can do once you do receive it. And pretty much after I put it on, I'm gonna let you guys know what I feel and think when it comes down to this unit overall, because who knows, I might not like it on me, but I have to put it on first. This is Swiss lace. The color is new. You know, there's a lot of different color when it comes down to lace nowadays, so this is new, so I feel like it should blend okay with my skin complexion. We'll see, but stay tuned. her back. Let me show you guys a 360. I really like how they blend the colors in this unit. The only thing I did was cut the lace off that was in the front as well as in the back, and I laid down the baby hairs that came with the wig, but you really don't have to do that. I might even like forget about these baby hairs because usually I don't do really thick baby hairs like this. Like the baby hairs that come with is really thick. You're gonna have to plug through it because this ain't my style to like have super thick baby hairs like this, you know. But yeah, anyway, when it comes down to the actual hair, I really do like it. The texture is really silky and it's really full, really full. Okay, so now that I've messed around with this unit, I will say that this is a lovely unit. However, I'm not with the baby hairs. But besides the baby hairs, everything else from the length to the texture, the color options, which I just checked, Divatress have a lot more colors. I think all the colors in stock right now as we're speaking. So please go ahead and check out their website for this unit. I'm trying to go back and get the stock car color, which is steel or something. It's like a silver color. Now you will get a couple snags, but just like I stated earlier, I did not experience any problems when it came down to tangling or shedding. But because it is a really long unit, it stopped past my waist, so you will get some snags here and there. But just keep a nice wig brush and you won't experience a lot of problems with this unit. Parting space is actually pretty huge. There's a lot that you can do with it. You can even braid it. I had 2 French braids in it earlier before I even cut the lace. It's just the baby hairs. I just can't with the baby hairs. I don't know why. I just can't. But thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you again, Divatress, for sending me out this unit. And go ahead and check out some more of my lovely wig reviews.